Trees on rooftops, branches in the street, signs of the powerful storm that moved through the Bartram area yesterday. That's where an EF0 tornado touched down. Atia Collins is on your side speaking with the homeowners there about the damage, and she also has some tips from property insurance experts on what to do if you need to make a claim. She joins us live now with the latest. Atia?
Yeah, that's right. Landscaping crews just left this area right before the show, but I want to show you what is left after that tornado ripped through this Bartram neighborhood. You can see the huge pile of tree branches and limbs behind me. Some of the trees in this neighborhood were completely uprooted and even shutters torn from homes as those high winds from that tornado ripped through this area. Now, I had the chance to talk with attorneys who say if you're a homeowner, now is the time to take pictures and document any damage to prepare for property insurance claims. Now, homeowners and landscaping crews spent most of the morning cutting up fallen branches and removing trees from roadways. After assessing the neighborhood, meteorologists with the National Weather Service determined a level EF0 tornado with winds of up to 80 miles per hour touched down here in Duval County. Homeowners have just a year to submit property insurance claims after new Florida laws went into effect, and that's why attorneys with Farah & Farah suggest homeowners take multiple pictures, submit a claim as soon as possible, and do what they can to prevent damage from getting worse.
If you don't, have all that documentation ready, your insurance company may find a way to deny your claim. And so it's important to try and do your best to make sure you get photographs and estimates and everything done as quickly as possible.
And this is just one of the many piles left throughout this neighborhood. And you can see how big this one is. So just imagine the cleanup here is not over yet. Now, as far as suggestions for homeowners, if there is another tornado watch in this area, experts tell me to tell you to get in the safest place for you is to go to the lowest level of your home in the most interior room. Reporting Atia Collins, First Coast News on your side.